David, help me. This box is too heavy.
David, help me. This box is too heavy. David, caawi boxkan aad ayuu weyn yahay.
Just a moment, Mary.
Just a moment, Mary. Xogaa isug Mary.
That's okay, Dad. I can help Mom.
That's okay, Dad. I can help Mom. Waa okay, Aabe. Hooyo ayaan caawinayaa.
Thanks, Tina.
Phew, I'm so tired.
I'm so tired. Aad ayaan u daalay.
I am too, Mary.
I'm too Mary. Sidoo kale Said ayaan u daalay Mary.
But there are a lot more boxes out there to be moved.
But there are a lot more boxes out there to be moved. Laakiin waxaa jira boxes badan oo banaanka yaalo oo u baahan in la soo xareeyo.
Hi, my name is Joe Williams.
Hi, my name is Joe Williams. Magacaygu waa Joe Williams.
And this is my wife, Sue.
This is my wife, Sue. Tani waa xaaskayga Sue.
Hello, Joe. Hello, Sue. Hi. My name is Mary White. Nice to meet you.
My name is Mary White. Nice to meet you. Magacaygu waa Mary White. Kulanti wanaagsan.
You must be the new family living in this apartment.
You must be the new family living in this apartment. Waxaad tihiin familiga cusub ee ku nool qaybtan.
Yes, we are. Would you like to come in?
Yes, we are. Will you like to come in? Haa, waa anaga. Ma jeclaan lahayd inaad soo gasho?
Joe and Sue Williams, this is my husband, David.
Joe and Sue, this is my husband, David. Joe and Sue, kani waa ninkayga David.
And our daughter, Tina.
And our daughter, Tina, iyo gabadheena Tina.
Hi, Joe. Nice to meet you.
Hi, Joe. Nice to meet you. Joe, kulanti wanaagsan.
So, can we help you? You have so many boxes.
So, can we help you? You have so many books. Ma ku caawin karnaa? Booksayaal badan ayaa idin yaalo.
You don't mind?
You don't mind? Waxba kama qabtaane?
We don't mind at all. We're happy to help our new neighbors.
We don't mind at all. We are happy to help our new neighbors. Waxba kama qabno. Ku faraxsanahay inaan caawino deriskeena cusub.
Okay, thanks.
Great.